This is the Framon KX-1. It is designed to originate keys quickly and accurately. The KX-1 uses different vices, cutters, and space and depth cam based on the manufacturer. You will notice that the KX-1 has two levers on the left side and top of the machine. These will only be used when cutting medical, biaxial, or commercial keys. If you do not have any plans to use the machine to cut these keys, it is suggested that you leave them off of the machine and stowed away in the drawer. In the drawer, you will also find Allen wrenches, if any adjustments are ever needed to the machine, as well as for changing cams if the machine is ordered with more than one kit. To show how the KX-1 originates a key, we will cut a best type interchangeable core key using the A2 depth cam. First, load a key in the machine by sliding it into the vise from the right side of the machine. The vise has a built-in tip stop. Simply slide the key in until it touches the tip stop and tighten the vise. Next, turn the space cam to the number 1 space position. The carriage is spring-loaded. Simply rotate the cam until the number 1 on the cam is facing up. Now turn the depth cam until the desired depth is in line with the steel pin. Turn on the machine and feed the key into the cutter until the carriage comes to a complete stop. Release the feed handle, and our first cut is now made. Now turn the space cam to the second position. Set the depth cam to our second depth, and feed the key in until we reach the positive stop. Release the feed handle. Repeat this procedure until all the cuts are made. Our key is now complete. Loosen the vise clamp lever and remove the key. To change the KX-1 from our current setting for best A2 to Schlage, we need to change 3 parts. A complete listing of all the components for each different manufacturer is listed in the KX-1 Owner's Manual. To change the depth cam, remove the Allen wrench from the drawer and loosen the Allen head screw fastening the cam to the machine. Insert the screw through the Schlage depth cam and tighten the screw. Changing the space cam is done in the same manner. Schlage uses a different cutter than best. To change the cutter, insert a small Allen key into the hole next to the cutter to prevent rotation, and remove the nut on the right side of the cutter. Slide the cutter and washer off of the spindle. Now place the Schlage cutter onto the spindle. Replace the washer and tighten the nut. Schlage uses the same vise block as best, but the opposite side. Remove the vise clamp nut and turn the vise 180 degrees. Be sure the machine button side of the vise locks into place. Reinstall the vise clamp lever, and we're ready to cut a Schlage key. No adjustment is necessary when switching from one manufacturer to the other. The KX-1 is designed to originate keys accurate to 1/2 thousandths in about 15 seconds. The KX-1 carries Framon's standard 1-year parts, labor, and freight warranty. Many of the high-security lock manufacturers recommend the KX-1 to originate their keys, when accuracy is a must. Count on the KX-1 to give you years of trouble-free service and at the same time, consistently cutting perfect keys.